True Spirit. Truth revealed ultimately equates to soul's purpose intrinsically realized to invoke transformation. Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Cole. I just want to wish you all a blessed evening. I'm coming to you to bring joy, add value, have fun, block out the stressors. So let's have fun. I'm offering virtual skincare parties for all. Spending time with people, connecting with people is exactly what we are in need of right now. You can come to my virtual party once it's scheduled by yourself, so it could be a one-on-one, or you can bring a few of your friends. The idea is to share some amazing products with you and to show you some love. I love on your face, and I can help upgrade your skincare routine, your beauty routine. I would love to invoke the spirit of just connecting with you and your circle of friends. Share me with your circle. It's the best compliment I could receive as an independent beauty consultant. Because if there are products here that are not for you, somebody in your circle could absolutely use what I have to offer. I want more time with you. People are looking for ways to escape these days. This will be the perfect opportunity to social distance. You're staying in, you're staying safe, and you can still indulge in some much needed self-care. I look forward to hearing from you. I am a native of Guyana, South America, born and raised in the beautiful West Indies, a land where our motto is one people, one nation, one destiny. If I could show you how to make a few extra dollars doing what I do, would you be interested? Earn some much needed relief, financial relief during this pandemic. And you can definitely start a Mary Kay business during this holiday season and rake in the dollars.